Hello, I'm Pebble. Let's learn today. Every morning, Pebble took the same path through the village, past the pond, past the post box, past the big purple door. But today, something on the path was different. Pebble stopped, tilted, and stared. Right there on the path, drawn in bright chalk, was a shape Pebble had never seen before. A tall, straight line with a round bump at the top. What are you? The shape, of course, didn't answer. Shapes rarely do. Just then, Pebble spotted Pip the pigeon, sitting on the wall. Pip, Pip, do you know what that shape is? That, said Pip, is the letter P. And P makes a sound like this. P, 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 P. Can you do it? Say it with me. P. Yes, that's it. And here is the best part. P is the very first sound in the name Pebble. Pebble went completely still. Then Pebble's eyes grew as big as the morning. P is for Pebble? That's my letter. It's in my name too, you know. P, right at the end. And now that Pebble knew about P, P was everywhere. The pond starts with P. The purple flowers, P. The pizza box outside the baker's window, P. The polka dot boots in the shop, P. Even the pineapple on the market stall, P, P, P. P is the best letter. It is quite good, agreed Pip. Pebble ran ahead to find more P words and stopped. Right in the middle of the path, a puddle, a big one. Pebble looked at the puddle. The puddle looked back. I could go around, said Pebble slowly. Or, Pebble's eyes got very, very big. I could go through. Splash! And it was, without any question, the best puddle Pebble had ever jumped in. Pip! P is for puddle too! Later, sitting on the wall and dripping just a little, Pebble counted all the P words from the day. Pebble, Pip, path, pond, purple, pizza, polka dots, pineapple, and, best of all, puddle. I believe, said Pip, you have learned the letter P very thoroughly. Now you try. P says, Pah! That's it. Again, P says, Whew. One more, nice and big. P says, Huh, perfect. P is pretty perfect. And so Pebble headed home, past the pond, past the purple flowers, past all the wonderful P things in the world. Now you know the letter P too. What P words can you find today? Tell someone at home. Pebble wants to know. See you next time at Pebble School.